but I don't know why. You hit the road, but you don't realize I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't.
Alright, here it is, the beginning stages. Super dusty, super dirty. Spencer already took the time and cleaned out the interior. The interior's looking a lot better. I'll show you guys in a minute, but he's gonna do the exterior real quick and we'll go from there. It's time to drive that guy right there. There's a lizard right there. Pretty serious damage under the car, so we're gonna drive this thing, but it's currently leaking power steering fluid everywhere. So I'm gonna try to get all the fluid to go out of the system and then pull it up into my driveway. This thing is high in the sky, and the thing we noticed right away after the wash was how oxidized the roof is. But literally nothing else is oxidized. So that's actually a good thing because I vinyl wrap. Let me know if you need a vinyl wrap in the future. You can hit me at my Instagram at dcourt. I do roof wraps, full car wraps, any kind of wrap. Yeah, I vinyl wrap, so this isn't really a huge deal. We're just gonna have to sand it down so it's smooth, and then I can wrap the roof. Nothing else is oxidized, which is really interesting. I thought the trunk was gonna be pretty bad at oxidized, but it's not at all. But the problem lies underneath this baddie. You can see it, but you can't because it's, yeah, you can see it. Right there. Pretty damn good. It's gonna fall. That's the idea.
Throw a rock into a pond, ripples fade away. Human hearts aren't so lucky, those battle scars remain. I can't let go of the one thing I wanted most. I'm chasing echoes, echoes of your ghost. Can't let go of the one thing I wanted most. I'm chasing echoes, echoes of your ghost. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, echoes of your
First turn on, let's see if it cranks and goes. Let's hope nothing happens. What's the RPM at?
Just over 2.
What?
Over 2, just over.
Okay. Nice. You ready? Give her a rip. Let's see if I know what I'm doing here. I remember when my Mazda 3 didn't have power steering. Very similar.
Twins.
See how much easier it is though right now already?
Because you got a mile per hour too.
So before, when we moved ever, it shook vigorously.
Yeah.
So far, it's not.
What's the 0 to 60 on this?
We're not doing that right now.
Why not?
See, power steering is like already not even a thing anymore. But look at this, dude!
We got ourselves a car.
Look at this.
That's pretty smooth.
Here we go. We didn't do bad, dude. We didn't do bad as of right now. There's probably gonna be a couple hiccups.
Yeah.
What happened was I broke a piece of the little plastic thing where the rubber hose goes onto the power steering pump, so we don't have power steering right now. I'm fixing that piece. and it'll be good as new, and I'll put it back on tomorrow, and we'll have power steering again.
Other than that, though,
Other than that, it's dude.
it doesn't shake.
Doesn't shake.
No.
Like before, the steering wheel was
Yeah, it was bad.
ridiculous. We couldn't even drive over 10 miles an hour. Remember, we instantly U-turned, and then the U-turn
It sounded
was sketch.
horrible. Like, yeah. We'll see the U-turn. Yeah, do that hands-off test in a second.
When did we get the car? Friday.
Friday. Bought it Wednesday. Picked it up Friday.
Yeah, picked it up.
Yeah, that's Friday.
Did we pick? Oh no, we picked up Thursday.
Yeah, you're right. You're right.
But we didn't start working on it, which was it was a short day because I wrapped my car a lot.
Yeah.
Until Friday. All Monday we took it all off. All today we put it back on. I just have a little bit more to do tomorrow, and then the roof wrap. And then...
Yep.
Okay, here's the straight line test. I think the alignment might be absolutely perfect. Not absolutely perfect, slightly to the left. Honestly, my Speed 3 is worse right now.
Yeah.
So like this is super manageable. Before, we didn't even know what straight was, and it was like super over here. There we go,
Yeah,
dude.
this is nice.
This ain't bad, man. Time to do a 0 to 60. Oh, couldn't figure out what gear it was in. Here we go. Ah! It's a car. It's not fast, but it's a car. Brakes work well. There we go. Steering wheel doesn't shake when I put the brakes on, which is sometimes a problem when the brakes are very, very bad or the alignment's shot. No, I'm wondering why people are giving us weird looks, and it's because there's no front bumper.
Yeah, I was actually wondering that too.
Yeah. There's no front bumper, and we're missing a headlight. So, but dude, this is crazy.
Yeah.
So tomorrow, all I have to do, fix the power steering pump, and we'll wrap the roof, and we'll put this thing up for sale.
I couldn't away with you. Imprisoned by fear, just pull me away, pull me away.
Another new day with the Copart / auction car rebuild / sell for a profit type thing. Here's our 2011 Mazda 3. As you can see, these are the amount of miles on the thing. What I did this morning is I just gave it a general wash, nothing super special, but the paint is in super rough condition. If you can hear this, super rough. Now if you go over here where I've already done a polish, a cutting compound, polish, and wax, it's super smooth. It's very, very smooth. Done it right here as well. Done it right here as well. And then this door I have not done it. So you can kind of tell the difference too between my two legs. It might be super hard to see in the video, but this leg is more my left leg. This leg is definitely more not as clear as this leg is over here. So what I'm going to do is I've already done the hood, fender, door. I'm going to go over the entire car. So I just gave it a general wash just to get everything off of it. I'm going to first clay bar it, then cut and compound it, then polish it, and then wax it. Then we have a problem right here. We have a problem right here on the trunk lid. What I need to do is go in a little bit more extra right here, get this all situated. Previous clip, I sanded the crap out of it. Now it's super, super smooth everywhere. And all it needs to have is a nice black roof wrap, and it'll be solid. The good thing is I know how to wrap, specifically do roofs all the time for customers. My Instagram is @Decor2Ts. I'm in the San Diego County area, and if you need anything wrapped on your vehicle, hit me up on my Instagram DMs and I'd be happy to help you. I give great prices to everyone that comes to me through my Instagram because I know you're a follower of the channel. So if you need anything to wrap, hood, fenders, mirrors, roof, hit me up on my Instagram @Decor2Ts.
Just run until the edge and
So all the paint is fixed to the best of my ability. The roof is wrapped, as you can tell, in black. It's actually a black, and then there's like a little bit of metallic in it, so there's like flakes that's similar to the car. Whenever I wrap a roof for anyone in black, it's always black metallic. Every customer always likes it better. I have not gotten a single complaint. Just black is kind of weird because factory paint, no factory paint really has just the paint color. There's typically some kind of sparkle, some kind of flake, some kind of metallic in there. So it's like black, gold, metallic or something like that. It's black, but there's a little bit of flake in it, kind of like with most factory paints, such as this one right here. So what we're gonna do now is throw on the front bumper, do the paint restoration to the front bumper, and then make sure everything's clipped on and this thing's ready to go. It's almost completely done. Paint's a little rough at the top here. We're gonna try to fix that. The car is completely done. Everything I need to do is done. The front bumper came out way more amazing than what it came here with. You can't even see it with the naked eye, especially if you don't know anything about cars. You're not going to be able to see the damage. Wax the entire car, clay bar the entire car, polish the entire car. And it's looking pretty amazing. So I'm gonna go right now, take some pictures. There's really good lighting right now, so I'm gonna take some pictures, drive it over to a spot near my neighborhood that has really, really good lighting. It's kind of a cool place. Get some pictures there. I'll see you guys there. Driving this thing, looking at this thing, going inside the thing, the paint, the roof wrap, the black roof to make it even look sportier. At one point in its life, this car was totaled and it drives perfectly fine. Everything about this car works. It's freaking crazy. It's crazy to think how much we got it for. It's crazy to think how much the parts costed to fix it. And it's cool to see that everything is done. The only thing I didn't do, which I just realized now, is the rear bumper. The rear bumper is a little dirty, and it's funny because it's clean, but here's the difference between the paint that is bad and the paint that's good. You can hear it. But yeah, it's freaking crazy. This car is finally done. I've really only had it in my possession for about 10 days. And everything is perfect. The front subframe was destroyed, the mounting point for the rear motor mount was destroyed, and the rear motor mount was destroyed. The alignment was totally off. When we drove it, anything over like 3 miles an hour, it would shake vigorously. Paint was absolutely horrendous. I think it is now a running and driving car that looks super respectable. You wouldn't think another thing. You wouldn't think anything else of it other than that. Pretty crazy. I put a ton of work into this video. I'm only uploading one video. It's probably a little longer, but it's the whole entire process of me getting this thing from totaled, essentially, it was a totaled car, to back to running perfectly fine, everything functioning correctly, and the paint looking really, really good. The roof being wrapped because that couldn't have been salvaged, but a lot of work was put in this video, so if you could do me a huge favor and like this video, that'd be a huge, huge thanks for me. That'd be a huge, huge help. And we're gonna try to do this again, but with a different car, a cooler car, hopefully in the future. Make a little bit of cash off this and go even more further in the future. But right now, we're gonna go back to the Speed 3, maybe a little Miata things, and I really, really wanna get a project car for myself for the future as well. Just gotta stack that cash, keep making these videos, keep doing wraps on the side for you guys. Yeah, so the next video you see on this will be it being sold, and I'm gonna go over the entire cost breakdown of us buying it from Copart, to exactly how much each part costs, to how much everything costed, and how much we got from the car. So possibly you can do it in the future if you think it is worth your time or not, like we are doing right now. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like that video, comment, do you think it was worth it? Did you like the